and welcome back to AccountLogik. Today I want to talk about 5 key accounting concepts that every business person and entrepreneur should understand. Whether you are just starting out or you're looking to brush up on your accounting and finance knowledge, this video should be very helpful for you. The first concept that we're going to talk about today is assets. Assets are basically anything that your business owns. These are things like property, houses, factories, equipment, machinery, cash. These are things that you would normally be able to sell and things that you can use to generate income. The next concept that we'll talk about is liabilities. The liabilities are things that your business owes to others. These are typically things like accounts payable or taxes to the government, credit cards, payroll for people that have worked for you but you haven't paid yet. The liabilities are pretty important to track because they can affect your cash flow. When you owe, you have to make monthly payments most of the time, and that really affects how much money you have left in the business. The difference between your assets and your liabilities is the third concept known as equity. The equity basically refers to your share of the business or what's left over in the business. You have assets, you subtract the liabilities, what you owe, and whatever is left over is what belongs to you as the owner. And this can be made up of 2 parts. The equity that you started up or you invested in the business when you first started, and then the retained earnings or has accumulated over the years. The fourth and important accounting concept I want to talk about is revenue. This is also referred to as top line because it's the first item on your P&L, your profit and loss statement. And this basically refers to the income or the sales or the revenue that your business generates from operations. And this really is a key metric for you to measure, and it tells you how well you're doing. The fifth accounting concept that we're going to talk about today is expenses. All your expenses are things you spend to run the business. These are like your rent, software costs, payroll, things that help you manage your business and run the business, materials, utilities, and these are important to track, keeping your expenses in check and under control. And the difference between your revenue and your expenses is your profit. You want to generate as much profit as you can. So in conclusion, assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses, the important concepts that every business owner should know. And feel free to reach out to us with any questions. We would be very happy to go into more detail. In the comments, you can offer up any topics or subjects you would like us to discuss. Have a great rest of your day, and remember to subscribe. Hit the like button and share. Thank you.